In this lesson, I'm going to discuss how to install Python on a Macintosh. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the Python webpage, which is www.python.org. We're going to select Download, and we're going to scroll down and look for the Macintosh version, the OS X 64-bit. Then we begin the download process. That'll take just a moment. The next step now is to install the package. There it is right there. Double click, then just follow through with the defaults on the installer. Your system may ask you for a password. Type that in. Now we wait while it installs. Click close here. Close these windows. Have a terminal window open, and what we're going to do is we're going to write a test program. I'm going to use VI and type hello-world.py. We're going to do a simple hello world program. So right here we're going to type print hello world. Save the file, so that's a WQ command. And then type Python hello-world.py. Shows hello world. And so we can see that Python is installed correctly. And we're finished with the installation, and we're ready to move on to the next lesson.